Welcome to Module 3, Using Data to Guide Instruction. In this module, we will explore how teachers can use student data and certain curriculum resources to make informed instructional decisions and provide targeted support for our students. Welcome to Module 3, Educators. In this module, educators will learn how to use student data and certain curriculum resources to support instruction. We will explore strategies for identifying learning gaps, selecting appropriate curriculum materials, and planning instructional interventions that address student needs. Module objectives. By the end of this module, you'll be able to identify learning gaps using student data, assess curriculum resources within CERN, select lessons based on student needs, and plan instructional interventions using curriculum materials. Why use data to guide instruction? Student data provides valuable information about student learning. Teachers can use this information to identify learning gaps, detect misconceptions, plan targeted instruction, create intervention groups, support struggling learners, and monitor student growth over time. Exploring CERN curriculum. To assess curriculum resources, select the Curriculum tab located at the top of the CERN dashboard. This section provides access to grade level content, lesson materials, and instructional resources that can be used to support student learning. Choose your grade level. After selecting curriculum, choose the appropriate grade level. This will allow you to view lessons, missions, and instructional materials that align with your students' learning needs and grade level standards. Exploring grade level lessons. Within each grade level, teachers can review lesson overviews and curriculum information. These resources provide a snapshot of the concepts students will learn and help teachers plan instruction more effectively. Selecting a mission or module. Next, select a mission or module you would like to explore. Each module focuses on specific math concepts and skills. Reviewing mission materials can help teachers identify resources that match student learning needs. Lesson overview. The lesson overview provides information about the lesson objectives. It gives standards, instructional materials, and digital lessons. Teachers can use this information to determine whether the lesson is appropriate for the student or the enrichment for the students. Teacher lesson materials. CERN provides teacher lesson materials that can be used during whole group instruction, small group instruction, or when the teacher is giving interventions. These resources include lesson guides, practice problems, and instructional supports that help teachers address student needs. Using data to select lessons. To identify areas where students may need additional supports, navigate to the Reports tab and select Tower Alerts. This report helps teachers identify students who are struggling with specific concepts and lessons. Tower Alerts. Tower alerts provide detailed information about lessons where students are experiencing difficulty. By reviewing these alerts, teachers can quickly identify learning gaps and determine which concepts require additional instruction or intervention. For example, this student named Emma Rodriguez, she is struggling in grade 5, mission 1, topic F. She is currently on lesson 12, mindful division. So it tells us where the student is struggling in. Provide focused instruction. After identifying a student's area of difficulty, click on the lesson listed in the Tower Alert. This allows you to access lesson materials and instructional resources that can be used to provide targeted support and reteach the specific concept to the student that is struggling on that lesson. Curriculum you can use as intervention. The curriculum section provides valuable intervention resources, including lesson materials, practice problems, and instructional supports. Teachers can use these resources to provide focused instruction, reinforce learning, and help students overcome many misconceptions. Thank you for completing Module 3. You have learned how to use student data, access curriculum resources, identify learning gaps, and select instructional materials to support student success. Next, we will explore strategies for creating classroom routines and accountability systems that support effective CERN implementation.